welcome back to my channel. This video is another wig video, and this video is sponsored by Recool here. They sent me this beautiful red wig. Like, guys, I've been wanting to try. Honestly, have I tried a red wig before? I actually tried one before a long time ago, but not this intense, so I'm excited. But before I go into the video, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the box. So this is what the box looks like. Let me open it. They sent me a wig which is on my mannequin head right now. I'm going to show you guys that's after. And the wig is a 26-inch wig, body wave, 13x4 lace front wig. Okay, so they sent holy. So they sent me their card with their information, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, yada 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 yada. That could go right there. Oh, I have a stocking cap in here. So they sent me a stocking cap, but I have one on my head already, so no, I don't need it. Bonnet. I think this is like a headband, like I think this is a headband. Let's see what else. Cute. Oh, baby hair combs. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I already have one using, so I might not use it. But if you don't have one and you order a wig from them, you will get one. So that goes right there. And some lashes. These lashes are actually cute. Like, see them? They're not that bad. And of course the bag to put the wig in when you're done wearing it. So now let me show you guys the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. I love it. It's actually so soft, and so I've worked with them before with colored hair. My very first 99J wig I got from them. I already knew that their quality is like A1 for colored hair especially. So I was not surprised that this hair was like very soft, like very soft, like yeah. The only thing though was that the knots, because it's colored, it came colored, the knots were red. And I can't, like, I tried bleaching it to see if there was going to be a difference, but there was no difference. So yeah, it is what it is. So this is what it's giving right now. I did wash it, so I did bleach and wash the hair, because yeah, so I tried bleaching it. Yeah, tried bleaching it. Didn't work, but I ended up washing it because I like washing my hair. I like washing my wig before putting it on my head. But yeah, it didn't actually take to the bleaching, so yeah, that happened. Let me just show you guys the inside of the wig. So this is what the inside of the wig is looking like. We come with the 4 combs. The wig is very stretchy. Honestly, I love wigs that stretches a lot, because it means it could stretch on your head and like pull and fit properly. I hate when it has little to no stretch. It just feels like it's gonna pull off your head in a minute. So I'm happy for that. I did go ahead, like I said, and pluck the hairline, and it comes with 4 combs, the 3 here, 1 here, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to add I need to buy back my lace tint because it's done. I normally use my even tinted lace spray in that one brown, but for some reason I keep on forgetting to get new ones. So I'm just gonna go in with my foundation, the same thing I have on my cap. I'm just gonna put it in the middle of this and pretty much just do the install. So only one when when you're putting on your wig. Like for me, when I'm putting on my wig, or not even just my wig, but like whenever I'm doing an Insta, whether it's on me or like on a client, I tend to like pray in my head like, God, please, 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 please. Like I always do. I don't know why. It's just like, I just want it to come out nice, you know? Like, it's so bad when you sit and you do so much, like actually sat and put in so much work, and then when you're done, it's just like, okay, what did I do? Like, what is this, you know? If I should comb out baby hairs, I think I'm going to comb them out. Do I? I'm actually gonna comb out the sideburns. I'll comb out the sideburns. Yeah, I think I'm gonna comb them out. I want to comb out right here, but I'm afraid. Okay, I'm actually gonna comb it out because I feel like it looks better like that. I'm gonna comb out this sideburn too. Yeah. But now I don't know if I should comb it right here. Probably just going to. Yeah, I'm gonna comb it. Pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love red. I feel like red 99J, magenta, like those type of colors, I feel like it looks so nice on me. I don't know why. But I did do my eyebrows red too. I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, but you know, it is what it is. But anyways, this is the end of the video. All the links will be in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave all your comments down below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Tell me the best part of the video or what you like about this hairstyle. Once again, I'd like to thank Recool here, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.